What's up everyone, this is Johnny here, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's episode I'm going to be talking a little bit about this that I'm wearing right now. These are the, let me get where the case, so these are the REALME Buds Air 2 Neo. Wait, let me see if I get the name correct because it's really very long. Yeah, it's a Buds Air 2 Neo ANC wireless earbud. I've been testing this for about a day now. I'd like to share a little bit about personal first impression of this ANC wireless earbud. As you can see here, firstly, of course, it's really very nice. The color here is a bit like midnight blue. But I'd like to focus this video first impression on two things: an experience, just one day of using it. The first one, of course, is regarding the ANC control, and the second one, it's something which I feel that it's a compromise on something which is really very fundamental, right? So I'll touch on the ANC control first, right? So the built-in ANC control, in order to toggle it, is you need to press both buttons at the same time.
降噪模式
Now it's on ANC on, and then when I press again,
通透模式
transparency mode. Right, so it's a little bit odd word, because I think this is the very first pair of wireless earbud whereby in order to trigger ANC on off, I have to press and hold both earbuds at the same time for about 2 seconds. Now the second thing, it's a compromise on something really fundamental, is that I wasn't able to use the microphone for phone calls. For some of you here, you may feel that this is not something very important, but for me, it's very weird because I was able to use the microphone to record WhatsApp audio, line audio and this kind of stuff, but I wasn't able to use the microphone to answer phone calls. When I have an incoming call, I was able to change the speaker from iPhone to Buds Air 2 Neo, but no audio comes through. Not only that, the person on the other side couldn't hear anything. This, to me, it's a compromise on something that is very fundamental, because for me, I have never faced such an issue with all the other earbuds here. I was able to use the earbuds for phone calls, for WhatsApp call, for video call, for line call, etc. I have no issues, but this is the very first time I faced such an issue. But of course, it's up to you to decide whether is this very essential, because I do know that some of my viewers here, you only want to get a pair of wireless earbuds to listen to music. Don't really use the earbuds to make a phone call. So whenever you have a phone call coming in, you would take out the earbud and then you will actually answer it as per normal. Right? So this has actually been my initial impression of the two things which I actually want to share after using the REALME Buds Air 2 Neo. Right, that's a very long name. Very complicated. Alright, for the first 24 hours, my name is Johnny and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!